Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn Aldana and I am doing my introduction discussion for psychology. So a little bit about me. I am 22 years old. I live in Sioux City, Iowa. I am married, but I do not have kids. I work full-time as an HR clerk and I have 2 dogs, a husky and a bulldog. I go to Northeast Community College, obviously. Currently, I'm going for my Business Administration Associate's degree. I plan to continue my career in human resources. On my free time, I like to travel. I love to travel a lot. My husband and I, we enjoy doing that. Watching movies. We enjoy going to the movie theater or just watching old-time movies. We love doing that. Love trying new foods and also going on long walks with my dogs, and of course spending time with my family.